Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kamiliya Zahra Alamsyah and my BP number is 2010732032. And in this video, I would like to explain about constituency and phrase structure, which consists of constituent and constituency, phrase structure rules, binary opposition, and tree diagram analysis. So first is about constituent and constituency. First of all, syntax is the study of sentence. A sentence has a structure and a hierarchy. Sentences are formed by words, and before it becomes sentence, words are usually organized into a larger unit, which called constituent. Constituent is an intermediary level between words level and sentence. Let's take a look to an example sentence. Ratna, who was in the building, saw Tony with his girlfriend. From the sentence, I can conclude that who was in the building is considered as a constituent because there is a part of constituency in the sentence. Because who was in the building is an independent unit, which we can understand about it itself without following other phrases or the part of words in the sentence. But if we take words, for example, in the, it is not considered as a constituent because it's not an independent unit. Now, let's move to the next topic about phrase structure rules. Phrase structure rules are the rules of each phrase, which normally consist of a head and dependent. The minimum requirement of a construction to be called as a normal sentence is a normal phrase is the presence of a noun phrase and a verb phrase. A basic English sentence consists of noun phrase plus auxiliary and verb phrase. So, for example, the most simple sentence in English, for example, is she cried, because it consists of noun phrase and a verb phrase. And the third one is binary opposition. So binary opposition is basically about the opposite things. In this context is words. In explanation, a binary opposition is a pair of related terms or concepts that are that opposite in meaning. Binary opposition is the system of language that law by which two theoretical opposites are strictly defined and set off against one another. Simply, it is the contrast between two mutually exclusive words or terms. For example, black and white, up and down, short and long, cheap and expensive, and others. And last topic is about tree diagram analysis. Tree diagram analysis has two features. First is that its branches over and over again from top to the bottom. And second is that each of the points is called nodes, string, or constituent. Basically, tree diagram analysis is used by linguists to know what happens structurally in a sentence, how they are differentiate the components into constituent and into phrases, and how does it works, so that they could become a well-formed sentence. To make a tree diagram analysis, we should start from the top, which is marked as S, which is sentence. Then we make the branches. Basically, the branches start from noun phrase in the left, and the middle is auxiliary, and the right is verb phrase. So after that, the next branch is it is so basically noun phrase is consists of pronouns and verb phrase is consists of verb. So for the example of sentence he will jump, it will be like sentence, then branches, noun phrase, auxiliary and verb phrase, and he will be put under the noun phrase, which is because he is pronoun. Then will is considered as auxiliary, and jump is a verb, so it is put under the verb phrase. So that's how we do a tree diagram analysis to know the structure in a sentence. So that's all of my explanation about constituent and constituency, phrase structure, roles, binary opposition, and tree diagram analysis. I am sorry for mistake, and thank you for watching this until the end of the video. I am Kamiliya Zahra Alamsyah, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.